Tonight is a huge night for the Lightning as they take on the Islanders in Game 7 here at home. 8 on your sides, Marco Villarreal is live inside Amalie Arena with more on what we can expect tonight. And I think we're going to be expecting a lot of noise, and I think we expect a win too, Marco.
Oh, let's hope so. I mean, if we want to keep Lord Stanley here in Tampa Bay, we have to get that win tonight. And I'll tell you what, for the fans, with all of these games, the ups and the downs, they've been getting all sorts of the feels.
All of the above, every emotion. Happy, sad, freaked out, frustrated, excited.
After losing Game 6 in New York and losing Nikita Kucherov early on in the game, the Lightning are coming back for Game 7 in Amalie. The hope is for a recharge, and a lot of that energy is going to be coming from the fans. Amalie having over 14,000 fans in attendance tonight. The Islanders are going to feel the thunder on this ice and be reminded of the whooping they got last time they played here. Now, we may or may not have Cooch tonight, but what we will have is the bench and the rest of the Lightning, a.k.a. our hardcore fans.
The main thing going on in my brain is that I'm so focused that I can't hear anything.
Focus. I'm there with the guys. I can tell they're focused. They're playing great hockey.
So again, we're hoping for that focus. We're hoping for that energy tonight when the Lightning take the ice here, home ice advantage. And hopefully with that, with the help of the fans, we'll be able to get one win and take us right into the next round, which is just one step closer to the Stanley Cup. Let's send this back to you, Chris. I will say this, though, with all the fans that are going to be out here, we have a mostly empty arena, but hardcore, let's talk about hardcore fans. There's one fan here already that is just waiting for this game to start. Just waiting, cannot wait. I think he wanted the best seat in the house, so he got here nice and early. So we'll see what happens. This is the kind of dedication you need right here.
I mean, Thunderbird looks a little mellow right now, though. Is it just because it's early, or what's going on there? You just get up and get pumped a little bit.
Yeah, he hasn't had his coffee yet, and he's just he's got to stretch it out. He's saving all that energy for tonight.
That's probably a good idea. All right, great. Marco Villarreal, thank you so much for that live report. Everyone really excited for that game tonight. Yeah. I think everyone secretly is hoping for another blowout like Monday, but look, we'll take a win, whatever that means.
Whatever win we can get. I feel like Thunderbug was on the edge of his seat, like we're all going to be tonight, because this is it here.